what is the major highlight you're most excited to speak about at this event?
This is the first time we are participating in this event, and our company is basically manufacturing the braking system for the Indian Railways, HVAC for the passenger coaches, and we are the first who has developed the Bande Bharat brake disc, 100% make in India, and we are totally doing 100% make in India in the vision of the Prime Minister of India. And along with that, we are scoping that in next new year we'll bring some more revolution in this industry.
So can you tell us where do you see your company in the next few years?
In next few years, we are targeting that we should have more than 1,500 employees working under us. Right now we are more than 450 plus. So if there is a 1,500 employees working under us, it's mean that we are going to achieve big goals in our industry.
Thank you so much for your time. Wishing you luck for the event. Thank you.